Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I appreciate you being here. Please always make sure that you are subscribed and that you're logged in, liking and sharing the videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. And this practice is a 20-minute full body, let's get ourselves moving. Maybe this is how you like to wake up each morning, so you flip on my channel, you hit a quick video, you go on with your day, maybe ending your evening, or this would be one of those great practices to pair with a workout, as it's a great 20 minutes of movement flow. All right, we're gonna start our practice today standing, so I invite you to stand with me at the top of our mat and we'll get going. Ground your feet, firming your glutes, firming your quads, rest your shoulders down your back as you start to firm up through the belly, palms face forward. I invite you to close your eyes here. And as we move into our practice, start to firm up through the midline, feel your heart lift up, close your eyes. Push down into both of your feet, whether you're just waking up, you're headed to bed, or you're at some point in your day. Remind yourself to focus on closing the lips and breathing in and out through your nose to find your breath. Let a smile come over your face as you start to feel the energy of your yoga practice. And then on your next breath in, inhale, reach up with me. Good, exhale, forward fold. Take a nice flat back, gaze forward right into it. Step back to high plank for me. Good, exhale, flow, chaturanga. Up dog or cobra, you know the difference. And then exhale, push, push, push. Downward facing dog. Soften your knees, press back through your ribs. Gaze forward if you're ready, float, otherwise step with me. Hands to shins, lift and lengthen. Traditional sun A, let's do 2 more, forward fold. Inhale, reach and rise, arms up. Exhale, gather the hands through the heart, forward bend. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, float to chaturanga or step to plank and then lower. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Good. Exhale again, push through your feet to transition to your dog. Eyes are at your toes, soften your knees. Long gaze forward, exhale, step or float. Halfway lift once you arrive. Exhale, forward bend. Stand all the way up. We have 1 more together. Gather your hands through your heart, bow. Inhale, lengthen. How do you make it harder? You add double or triple push-ups, or stay with me. We step, we lower once together. We bring our bodies up. And then exhale, back to dog. Breath in, settle. And breath out, smile. Gaze forward, bend your knees, step or float. Good. Lift. And then exhale, bow with me. Tuck your chin. Sun salutation B, inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. So sit back in your hips, reach your tailbone down, long through your arms. Exhale, bow. Flat back, gaze forward. Again, vinyasa, step or float. Lower. Drop your knees at any point through that push-up or skip it. Now, traditionally, we don't lift our legs, so try to step to the right thumb. Plug your back heel. Rise up, warrior 1. Good. Bring your palms together if you can. Gaze to your thumbs. Exhale, bring it down. Step right back to down dog or hover the right toes as you do your push-up. Transition up and then push to move backwards. Left side, step. Right heel down, toes out, arms up. Hips are forward, breathe. Good, exhale down again. Step right to dog, so just maybe boop, meet me here, or flow. 1 big breath in together in dog, fill up. Exhale, push it out. Long gaze forward again, step or float. You'll see me alternate between stepping and floating. Halfway lift the spine, Ardha. Exhale, Uttanasana, fold. Come back to Utkatasana, here's your chair. Stand up, lean back. Good, gather the hands to the heart. Let's run through Sun B 1 more time. Namaskar B, inhale, chair. Exhale, fold. Breath in, lift and lengthen. Exhale, breath out. Plank to chaturanga, take your time. Remember, breaks when you need, skip when you need, you're powerful. Right foot to right thumb. Heel down, rise up. Take that big, yummy back bend. Bring it all the way back down. Good. Choice of a vinyasa. Put my knees down here. And then exhale, push back. Breath is feeling fierce. Left foot steps. Right toes turn out. Inhale, come up. Heart rate should be up. That's normal. Exhale, release. Maybe hover your left toes with me. They come right up. Lower. Push. And then drive it back. If you're working on floating, make sure you keep your booty up. You want to turn your gaze forward. Sit low and then pop up. Whee! And then exhale down. Halfway lift. Take a moment, fold. Utkatasana, return. Standing back bend. Samastitihi, hands to heart. Soften, close your eyes. Gather your breath with me. 3. Slow down the heart. 2. Beautiful work. 1. Rest your hands by your sides. Come to chair. Hands to heart center. Twist with me to the right. So I'm turning towards my curtain. And I invite you to twist. 3. Look over the right shoulder. 2. Good. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, hands to heart, twist left. 3, keep your butt behind you. 2. Inhale, center. Exhale, forward fold. Lift and lengthen the spine. Left foot steps back, left knee lowers. Right hand, right thigh, left arm up, stretch. 3. Look all the way up. 2. Good. Bring your left hand down. Pick up your back knee. Twist to the right. Raise your right arm. 3. See your thumb if you can. Exhale, bring your palm down. 3-legged dog. Right leg pushes up. Knee touches nose, so bring it in. Tight rounding of the spine. Press it up. Touch your right elbow. Tap. Push. Give me one more. Touch your left elbow, fall in triangle. Drop your back foot. Feed the leg out. Left arm up. 3. Lift your hips. 2. Have a seat. 1. Yes, sit. Turn around, face the back of your mat. Pull your right knee to your chest. Cross your right foot over your left leg. Seated spinal twist to the right. So left leg is long, right knee is in. Twist. 3. Good. 2. Exhale, 1, boat pose. Pull your knees in towards your chest. Reach your arms forward. Hold. 5. Add pulses. 4. 3. 2. 1. Good. Side plank on your right hand. So just put your right hand behind you. Watch. Raise your hips. Slide your legs out. Why? So that we can transition this back to the front of our mat. Take another breath in. Transition. Vinyasa or skip it. Yes, yes, yes. Meet me. And down dog. That was awesome. Hold here. Stretch. Long gaze forward. Step or float. Halfway lift. Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, forward bend. Take a standing back windmill with me. Inhale, reach up. Just 20 minutes, guys. Stick with me. Exhale, gather your hands, fold. Lift and lengthen. You should feel warm. Exhale, right foot, step it back. Put your knee down. Left hand, left thigh, right arm rises. Stretch. 3. Open up the right hip flexor. 2. Lean back. Right hand stays down. Pick up right thigh and knee. Push back through your butt and heel. Now raise left arm up. Twist. Good. Turn. 3. Move your ribs. Use your breath. Close your mouth. 2. Good. One more full inhale. Release your hand. 3-legged dog. Push up. Hold it. Knee to nose is round 1. Kick it back up. Knee to left elbow, round 2. Tap. Good. Kick it back up. Knee to right elbow, twist, feed the leg out. So I'm feeding my leg towards the curtains. Right arm rises, fallen triangle. Hold it, sit. Big turn to the back of your mat. Ready, set, pick up your butt. Good, so you're seated. Left knee to chest. Cross it over, right leg. You're looking towards the back of your mat. Inhale, right arm rises. Exhale, twist. Left hand behind your back. Good. Twist, twist, twist. 3. Long spine. 2. And then exhale, rotate forward. Navasana, that's your boat. Pull it in. 4. 3. You can do this. 2. Feet come down. Left hand comes behind you. Move with me. Hips come up. Ready, set, up. Left leg goes out. Right foot stacks. Guess what? You're in side plank. Hold. 4. Hips higher. 3. Good. Plank. Now you're facing the front of your mat. Ta-da! Vinyasa. Back bend. And then meet me in down dog. Remember, if you need a break, take it. Otherwise, stay in dog with me. Bend your knees some. Right leg rises. Inhale. Step forward this time. Exhale. High lunge. Breath in. Lean back, bend your knee. Exhale, warrior 2, bend your knee forward. Inhale, reach long as your hand comes down inside of your foot. Stack your shoulders. Turn your drishti towards your left thumb. Reach your left thumb over your head. Pause. And then glide your left arm up and down your back leg as you straighten your right leg. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down to your mat. Right to dog, step it back. Walk your hands back to your feet. Breath in, lift and lengthen, booty out, heart forward. Exhale, fold. Walk your fingertips to the right. Take a twist. Good, center. Left side, twist. Exhale, walk it back in front of you. Fold, land in down dog. Left side, lift your leg up. High lunge, step. Breath in, settle, hold. Breath out, get stronger. Back bend, inhale. Good, exhale 2, settle. Pull your low belly up and in, gaze forward, reach forward, and here we go. Hand inside of ankle, stack shoulders, 3. Look straight up to your thumb if you can, 2, and then reach over your head. Push down through your feet, come up, 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 up. Squeeze your inner thighs, left arm up. This is called reverse triangle. Cartwheel your hands. Down dog, step. Walk it back. Lift and lengthen the spine again. Exhale, peace sign fingers, big toes. Grab onto the big toe and then pull down. Good. When we only have 20 minutes and I want to move you at a faster pace and I want to allow you to move your whole body, you'll notice that our breath is a little faster. And if you feel overwhelmed by the poses or the movement, just take a child's pose anytime. Exhale, release your hands forward. Downward facing dog. Push back through your hips. Look to your hands. I want you to float onto your shins. Watch if you need to. You're going to pop up and then down. Landing right here with me so you're on those shins. Heart is forward. Good. Take your arms up. Lean back. Exhale, put your thumbs behind your shoulder blades. So right behind your neck, pick up 3. Little back bend here, 2. Good. Hands in front of you. Cross your shins. Exhale, sit. Feet together, knees apart, bound angle. Baddha Kunasana, sit up straight. Exhale as you fold forward, let yourself round. Hold your feet or halfway lift, walk your hands forward. 3. You've got this. 2. Walk the torso to an upright position. Bring your knees together. Scoot your bum to your heels. Exhale, lay down onto your back. First time today we laid fully down. And then I want you to gently bring your right knee to your chest, but lay your left leg long. We'll get into the right hamstring, raise the leg, pull it towards you. Good. Maybe point your toe, flex your foot 1 time or 2 times. Hug your right knee back in. Lay it down. Feel the difference side to side. So have a little bit more length on the right. Left knee comes in. Squeeze. Left leg rises, reach up. Good. Point, flex, if you want to. Pull the leg towards you, and then exhale, big hug. Good. Nice work. Both legs long, interlace your fingers. Reach over your head for a full body stretch. You've got this. Reach, lengthen. Open mouth, big sigh. Put your hands next to your butt. Bend your knees, plant your feet. Firm your quads. Ready, set, glutes up. Legs firm, hold, 4. Close your eyes if you want, 3. I have sun peering into my windows. The light feels so nice, 2. Exhale, upper back, low back, butte down. Nice job. Hug both knees into your chest. Open mouth, exhale. Happy baby, first reach your legs up. Open them apart, and then feed your knees into your armpits as you grab hold of those feet. And then I invite you to rock side to side or stay still. Good. Take another full breath in. Exhale, Supta Baddha Kunasana, feet together, knees apart. So you're going to root down through your low back. Let your knees fall open. Pull your belly in and down. Put your right hand on your heart, your left hand on your belly. Let your elbows soften by your sides. And if you can't get your elbows down, totally fine. You can take a different variation or maybe prop up your elbows with pillows. And as you lay on your back, you breathe with me. Inhale. Exhale. Most important part of the practice, checking in. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Really nice. Right leg long. Left leg long. Right palm face up next to you, left palm face up next to you. Short and sweet, so Shavasana for short and sweet flow. A beautiful chance to pair maybe strength or cardio with the yoga practice, or just letting this be your movement for today. Your meditation, your quiet time. This is all about you right here. Let it be all about you. Use this energy, pull it in tight. Bring your palms together, thumbs at your third eye, right between your 2 eyes. So we call it the forehead center. Good. Bring your knees in when you're ready. Let your hands move away from your third eye. Give yourself a hug. Rock up to seated or curl to your side. Join me in seated. And then as we sit here together, nice, tall, comfortable seat, hands at heart center. I appreciate you choosing to click play to practice with me, to join me on your mat so that you feel fierce and strong and a little warmer than the first 20 minutes of your day. Thank you so much for moving. Thank you so much for joining today's practice. And as we bow forward, namaste. Thanks for flowing, guys. Have a very beautiful rest of whatever you have planned for today.